Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn to attract internships using internships data. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or selecting View Profile. Review your current profile picture and cover photo. Ensure they are professional and reflective of your career goals. Next, focus on your headline. Craft a headline that clearly states your career interests and professional aspirations. In the About section, write a compelling summary. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what you hope to achieve through internships. Scroll down to the Experience section of your profile. If you have relevant internships or volunteer experiences, list them here. For each entry, include the company name, your role, and dates of employment. Under each experience, describe your responsibilities and achievements. Utilize keywords that align with the type of internships you are targeting. Now, let's enhance the Skills section. Add skills that are relevant to the internships you aspire to secure. Aim for a mix of hard and soft skills to showcase your versatility. Next, gather recommendations from professors or previous employers. These endorsements add credibility and can attract potential internship opportunities. Take a moment to review your privacy settings. Make sure your profile is visible to recruiters. Adjust settings to allow people to see when you are open to internship offers. Proceed to update your education section. Include your current university, degree, and any relevant courses. If applicable, add honors or relevant projects to this section. Now, engage with content on LinkedIn. Follow companies and professionals in your field to stay updated on trends. Participate in meaningful discussions or comment on posts to increase your visibility. Consider joining relevant LinkedIn groups. This can help you network with industry professionals and find potential internship leads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.